Hi everyone, it's Fiona here with a Windows 10 solution on how to convert MTS or AVCHD files to MP4 format without the need to download any extra conversion software. I found a solution using Microsoft Photos and it's a very easy process and I'm going to take you through it step by step. First off, we're going to open Microsoft Photos. Then select the Video Projects tab. Now select Create a Video Project. And you can go ahead and name your video. I've got a video of the garden, so I'll call mine Garden. Then click OK. Select the Add button, and it will prompt you to add the file from wherever you have it saved on your computer. Now double click the file to select it and it will appear in your project library. Drag and drop the file down onto your storyboard. In the top right corner, we're now going to select the Export or Share tab, and it will prompt you to choose a file size, S, M or L. All will produce the same output quality. The size just depends on what you're going to use the file for. So read through the three options. I'm going to choose L for large. Now this panel shows where your file has been saved to. So just click on View in File Explorer and it will take you there. There it is, as an MP4 file. So now you can add the file to your video editor as an MP4 and away you go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to check out any future videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.